What's up, guys? Today we will be doing a review of the 35G John Deere excavator, and without further ado, let's get into it. Now, it is my dad's excavator. It's a pretty old model, but it still gets the job done. The boom, pretty good reach. Now, you have an option to get a thumb on it or not. Of course, we got the thumb on it because that's a pretty good addition with it. Rubber tracks. Right now we have the digging bucket on it. First cylinder right here. Got all the hydraulic power right there. Second cylinder's right there. Now third boom cylinder's right here. That's the arm cylinder and that's the bucket cylinder. 35G right here, 3.5 metric tons. That's what you're wondering. Nortrax, the owner of John Deere, not anymore. It's United. But anyways, besides that point, I don't think I can open that. Alright, now we go on to the back. Nortrax right there. Got the door hinge. Now to the back. We have the counterweight right here. Deere. This panel opens up, I think. And Deere right there. You look like excavation. Well, that's our business. And caution warning tape. Like I said, rubber tracks. This one opens right up. We have I think this is the radiator. I'm not 100% sure. Battery right there. It's covering it up. Safety reasons, of course. Yeah. Hold on a second. Alright, I got it. Now, on to the inside. Actually, no, not yet. We have the blade, fantastic blade. On to the inside. Fling the door open. It hooks onto the door hinge. This is the inside. Got the key right there. The temperature thermometer. This is a joystick. Put this down. Turn off the parking brake. Turn this on. Turn on the parking brake. This is how you control the boom. Back and forth. Alright, now let me get this window open. This window opens right up. We got menu buttons. Don't really fidget with those a lot. Got these, track forward, track backwards. All the hydraulic hoses right there. So you move the boom left and right. It's a radio. Seats right here. And we have the emergency lever right there. Now to put it down, you do that. That one's pulled down. Pull it down, just like that. This window opens right up. You can see outside. Now the danger signs, excavator backhoe pattern, and so right here you open this little thing up to change it from backhoe to excavator mode. And you do this, that lever to unhook the door handle. So that is a 35G. Hope you all enjoyed. We'll be having a 75G excavator next.